got a little shop project I'm going to do today. It just finally rained here in Northern California, and we're supposed to have rain next week. And in my machine room here, I do have a dehumidifier. I've done a past video where I had some issues with moisture buildup and rust, and I'm going to do a little modification, as the unit really does perform well, and it puts the water in its own little bucket, and then you got to get the bucket and go dump it. But you can also pipe it directly to the outside. So that's what my plan is today. So let me stop here and I'll take you over there. So this is the actual unit that's down there on the ground right now. And I'm planning on putting it right where that metal box that I made. And that's an outside wall. And there went my lights. And there went my safety light on. Hang on. Alright, we're back. So I'm going to put it where that metal box is, and it's on an outside wall. So let me do that. The other thing to talk about, it's showing 50% humidity right now, and that was after one day of rain. Otherwise we've been really dry. We don't have that much moisture in this shop right now, and my previous experiences with it is it would fill the bucket up in less than 24 hours once we get into high humidity. So let me get it reset and we'll bring you back. Oh, one other thing I wanted to mention is this morning it was 53 degrees here in the shop, and you can see down there I've got a electric heater, and that in 30 minutes it brought it up to about 63 degrees, which was nice. Since I've insulated the ceiling, it's made a big difference here in the shop. I think it'll help both humidity wise and keeping the shop warm when I want to come out here and spend some time. One other thing, since my lights shut off, just to show you, let me back up here. So I do have safety lights, emergency safety lights. There's two of them. They're battery backup, and so when the lights do click off and I may be in the back of the shop, I do have a lighted pathway to get out, which is merited. And a lot of people say, why do you have it on a timer? And having the lights here on a timer, I go from this shop into the main shop, and I don't have to screw around with keep reaching over and turning the light off and on. So it's something I've gotten used to, and I know there's safety concerns, but I think I've got them worked out. So on to the dehumidifier. Well, my friend came in to watch me work. He didn't like being outside in the main shop with the door closed, so he's come in here. Yeah, you stay over there, Howie. So I thought I'd show you come on. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down. Thank you. Please, go lay down. Good boy. Good boy. So this is the where the water goes in the unit, and it's got a float there, and you can see that the float will shut the unit off once it's reached its max capacity. Well, I got the unit mounted. It's up on the shelf there. It's running, and come over here. You can see the hose that goes outside. After I plugged it in, I walked outside to just look at it, and I couldn't believe how it was already producing water. We'll take a quick shot outside. Well, currently I just have the hose sticking out through the wall. You can hear Howie background. He's mad that I'm not letting him out with me, and got a little drips going right now. So this should solve the issue of having to dump the bucket daily. But he has to come out and check his pee mail. Got any good messages there, Howie? Huh? Huh? Come on, let's go in. Let's go. Get in the yard. Go. Go. Get in the yard. Get in the yard. Go. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.